about to go on our Christmas camping trip with our Robson, my camper, and we often don't bring our fire pit with us because it's too heavy, it's too hard to strap down, and it's just rusting away. So we bought the new ArcPit. It's made from stainless steel, food grade stainless steel, and that makes it rust resistant. It's a fire pit, as well as we've got the plates that go on top to cook, so it turns it into a barbecue. And yeah, it should be awesome. The best part, one of the best features and one of the reasons we bought it was because it comes up onto the wheel and it goes upside down, and that's how it travels. So it's our first time using it, so I'll shoot to Ryan. He'll show you how to put it on, and we'll see how it goes. Thought we would do a bit of a review and let you guys know whether it's worth it. All right. Cameron, you couldn't get it at Alexandra, and then you had to go get a cooked at Ilden. They've got chili flakes. We need chili flakes. Well, we just cooked spaghetti on it for the first time. So we've done barbecues the last few nights, and it was probably, I reckon, the best spaghetti we've done ever. Like, yum. And it's so good because we're having a fire and cooking and then have a fire again. So it's actually a really nice way to cook. Very impressed. Love it. Just thought it would be a fire pit and maybe do a few sausages. It's turning out to be amazing. So definitely love it. But if you're going to get the ArcPit, definitely get it with, do you want to come around here and show these? They're a bit dirty because they've been cooked on.
You say with the
Go around, the ArcMate. So it's got this is the ArcMate that goes in underneath. That's not what you put your coals on, right in the bottom, but you can also use it as a grill. We used it to boil the water, and yeah, this is the flat pack. Absolutely amazing, and you can slide them around to manage the heat. It's really awesome. Totally love it, and so glad we got it. Hey, can't wait to use it tomorrow.
Do it now.
It's like living.
Check it out.
It's like living in reality.
What's the name?
It's like living in.
ArcPit.
ArcPit. All right. ArcPit.
I'm saying.
Why is it upside down?
Meltdown test.
No.
Well, upside down. And so when you put it on the car,
Same thing.
yeah, you like that would drive me nuts. No, you just spin it around. So when you stick it on the car, it goes on the trailer. When you pack it up, it goes on upside down.
Turns on
And you
upside
strap
down
it
with
down.
the spare wheel.
That sits over the spare wheel.
So when
okay.
when people behind you
You see that?
are looking at it,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's the right way.
Yeah.
It's a good marketing thing.
It's been bloody good though.
Awesome.
Yeah.